Right. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Got a guest. So today, as the title suggests, we're putting the rear brakes together on the Clubman. I've been collecting bits and bobs, so we've got new shoes, new springs, got Goodrich hoses, cylinders, drums, circlips, copper pipes, everything. Handbrake cable we've just fitted. Yeah, we've got loads of bits and bobs to go on the car. So I'm going to set you guys up on a time lapse, and me and James are going to get cracking. I personally hate brakes, but James is a bit better with them than me. But the aim of the game is really, if we can get the back all set up, then the drums can go on, stay on. All we got to do is play the adjusters to get them how we want it, connect the handbrake up in the car, and that is really what it is on the rear brakes of the Mini, isn't there? There really isn't anything to them really, they're quite a basic setup.
Simple old school
yeah,
technology.
So yeah, without further ado, let's get going. Right, so we were actually fighting with these awful things. Now, I just said to James that I nearly bought the tool, and we wish we did. You can buy a tool that basically stretches them over there, which holds that cylinder to a back plate. Pain in the arse, we didn't do it, but we've managed to get one on. It's all good, so we're going to start building up the shoes now. And then we'll get some pipes together. Or I might do the pipes while James is doing the shoes. But yeah, new parts are a pain in the arse, but yeah. Someone needs to make those circles. Why can't they nut and bolt? Nut and bolt them, people. But yeah, we're going to start fitting some pipes. So inside the car, we're all connected up. Obviously that's the fuel line there, it's not gone into the car yet, but we were all new copper lines, and that was one we're talking about. So originally it was basically a similar shape to that, but it was just a bit short of the original one, but there's no kinks in that and it'll work. We've just looked at some pictures on Google as well, and I've noticed like the early Cooper S's and stuff that had the compensator at the back, it's all coiled up in the corner, which just looks a bit of a mess. So that looks a lot tidier than what we've done there, but James managed to do that because I was losing my temper with it. Handbrake cable's running, we've just got to connect that up at the handbrake. But yeah, it's looking really nice, all nice and clean and tidy. And now it's time to get that done, isn't it, James?
Yeah, get a handbrake, get these shoes on.
Yeah.
And
that noise was the tyre after starting, by the way, everyone.
I think we can get just the high-lows. We'll probably connect the handbrake inside.
Yeah, it was way too low.
If we can at least get it back on the wheels and the handbrake up and it can hold itself, I think that'll be quite a good mission, good successful today.
Yeah, right. So stick you guys on time lapse and we'll catch you in a sec. So, do you want to whip the drum come off? Should we get the drum off? So yeah, there is one. The light's not the best there, but that's one altogether. So all fully greased up there, so we shouldn't have any issues. We've just got to run the pipe now down to the back, and we're done. We're all new. Right, is it retaining screws we need to grab, isn't it?
Retaining screws.
Got some of them in the garage. We'll grab some of them out. Cool. Get in there.
And then tighten them up.
Bada bing, bada bong.
Got to do this hose.
Let's do the hose.
We'll do that now. Where's the wheel?
Put the phone in the stack or something.
What we got with all this?
Be interesting to see the ride height now.
Yeah.
It should be better anyway.
Just a bit. Easy work. Where's the other nut? Right. It'll move that out of the way.
I think it's got on the back.
Behind where?
Oh, it's in your bag.
That's how it ended up there.
Thieving.
Go on, you can do the other one.
Yeah.
Right.
So the idea is behind this for the viewers is you adjust it so there's a bit of resistance, isn't it?
You adjust it so you can't spin the wheel, and then you go a quarter turn off.
Yeah.
And then it should
move bit of resistance. You can hear just hear the pads touching.
Just hear them touching, just so that when you pull that, you want it to be as close to the drum as possible.
Yeah.
And obviously modern cars they self-adjust, but Minis here.
You gotta keep on your maintenance.
Yeah, every I think Haynes says every 2,000 miles.
Roughly, yeah. In fact, that's reminded me. Violet's coming up 1,500 miles after hers, so I should probably check that.
Well, I think I've just got it tight. It moves.
So, adjusting the brakes now, aren't we?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, 3 clicks.
Yeah,
that feels good.
Me.
Solid. She's solid.
I might just go one more turn for luck there. It's going to stretch anyway. We'll probably be doing this again in 200 miles.
Yeah, once we've adjusted the brakes again.
Cool.
So here's a quick glimpse again, guys, to the interior. Obviously, James is sat low rider style, but there's the rear seats. Yeah, getting there. Got functioning parts, which is good. So I'll quickly show you guys out the back. Say hello to Violet. But yeah, so we're all nice and clean. You can see James pulling up the tension there. Really happy. It's looking so nice now. All connected up, functional. got to bleed the brakes. Looking good?
Yeah, looking really good.
Right, so we're loads of work done on the rear brakes. She doesn't move.
She doesn't move, she has a handbrake now.
Handbrake works. So what have we fitted? We fitted all new copper pipes.
Yeah.
Shoe springs, cylinders, adjusters have all been re-greased. They're actually original adjusters out of the car, but they work. So
yeah, they work. Yeah,
it works for me. So they've all been re-greased. Braided hoses at the top of the radius arm, so the ones that flex instead of rubber ones. Basically all we're waiting for is you're seeing the bit of the footage that we put bolts through for the handbrake. That is purely to wait for the Clemens pins to arrive.
Yeah.
But we wanted to get this job done. All adjusted inside. Yeah, so basically this far forward is done now brakes wise. We've just got to finish the front, get the master cylinder fitted, connect calipers, and start pumping for a pedal really then, can't we?
Yeah. I think that'll be the plan. Do the fronts next. And,
just waiting on delivery. So mini spares, please hurry up. I know there's a lot of stuff going on, but please.
Yeah, be nice if it comes. Tomorrow.
Be nice. Yeah. So hopefully we'll get on with that job. Regarding the rest of the car, she's not been polished. Yes, I need to polish it, but she's not been polished yet. Boot lid has actually. Quite happy with that so far. It needs a bit more work, but it's smooth compared to the rest of the car.
Very nice. I agree.
Yeah, so we're just looking around the car there, and there's some areas of the car that are dry. Obviously, if you've watched the videos, you'll see that. One thing we have got is a rear window in with our new stickers. So you would have seen it on the sidewalk. These stickers are going to be available. Yep. Well, by the time this video comes out, they should be available.
They'll be available on our website.
Yeah, please see in the link description below for our website, and yeah, go and get yourself 1 or 2 or 3 or 4, and just help us out really, because it'll be great. We're going to have them on our cars. There's one on Edith the truck. It's just I think it finishes the car off. It looks quite good in the middle, and you guys keep asking, you want to help and support, and that would just be a really nice way if you could.
Yeah. So head on to simpsonsclassics.co.uk. Yeah. They'll be there. They'll be straight in front of you. You'll be able to find them. Yeah.
We are working on some limited edition stickers as well. Yeah. So some different ones.
There's hopefully a few little different designs.
There should be some other colours available. Right now we've got white and black. So there'll be some other colours coming up. So that's that. But that's all from us really on this video, isn't it?
No, thank you.
So comment below if you would do stuff differently. We've actually just sort of got to grips with brakes again. We haven't really done it for a little while.
I haven't done brakes for probably well over 5 years now, and it was a nice little refresher. But the shoes went on just like that really. Yeah. Just once you get the springs on, there's not really that bad.
Because sort of it finds its place, if you know what I mean.
Yeah.
But looking under the car now, we're both saying it's so nice. For the cost of it, I bought a kit off eBay, ready-made brake pipes, £18 I think they were. Why would you? Yeah, I'm not very good at flaring stuff like that, and that's people might be excellent out there.
I bought the kit. I didn't.
It just seems a lot better thing. It's so much more cost effective and quicker. So we got on with that and we got that done. So yeah, catch you next one when hopefully front half of the car now, master cylinders, calipers, drive shafts, hubs.
Front half and
try and get that done. Then all it leaves is the interior and engine, isn't it?
Interior and engine.
But the engine should be coming soon. We're going to try and start the engine, so keep an eye for the next episodes. We're going to try and get the engine started. It's not in the car, but we want to see what it does really. It's not run for 4 or 5 years. It is going to be run what we've run. We're not doing a full engine rebuild, so I do apologise. There will be one coming, just not on this car, unfortunately. Yes, it's not a budget anymore, but I still can't afford thousands of pounds on an engine. And I'm one of them, if it works, it works. No point taking it apart. So yeah, catch you next one, guys. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Go check out our sponsors in the link in the description below, and we'll catch you next one.